Ever find yourself jostling for elbow room, battling dry air, and trying to ignore the low hum of plane engines on your long-haul flights? Welcome to the club, but fret not, because today we'll unravel the secrets to making your air travel experience a lot more comfortable. Tip number 1, dress for comfort, not the catwalk. Opt for loose, breathable clothing. Remember, planes can get chilly, so layer up with a light sweater or scarf. And when it comes to footwear, go for shoes that are easy to slip on and off during security checks and in flight. Next up, hydration is key. The air inside an airplane cabin is notoriously dry, leading to dehydration. Drink plenty of water before and during the flight. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, as they can further dehydrate you. Thirdly, it's all about location, location, location. The choice of seat can hugely impact your flight experience. If legroom is your priority, aim for the exit rows. If you want to avoid disturbance from the traffic to the lavatories, steer clear of the back of the plane. Fourth on the list, bring your own entertainment. In-flight entertainment systems can sometimes disappoint. Pack a good book, download your favorite movies or series, or create a relaxing playlist to keep you entertained during the flight. Fifth tip, do not underestimate the power of a good travel pillow and an eye mask. They can help you achieve a more comfortable sleep during the flight, especially if you're on a long-haul journey. Our sixth suggestion is to move around. Long periods of inactivity can lead to stiffness and discomfort. Stand up, stretch, or walk down the aisle every couple of hours. Lastly, practice good hygiene. Pack a small hand sanitizer and use it regularly, especially before meals. Wipe down your tray table, armrests, and other surfaces you'll touch often. To recap, for a more comfortable flight experience, dress comfortably, stay hydrated, choose your seat wisely, bring your own entertainment, pack a travel pillow and an eye mask, move around, and practice good hygiene. Remember, every flight is a journey, and every journey is an opportunity for a new adventure. So make the most of it. Happy flying!